Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essential resources and taking the first actionable steps. Place the spawner or identify the natural mob spawn area, clear a 10x10 floor, and remove nearby light sources so mobs will spawn. Once done, build a 3-block-high enclosure and add spawning platforms. Make sure to include trapdoors or slabs to control pathing. You should position a temporary ladder to work from above, and immediately set up a safe collection point where drops and XP will. Now you continue with the complex middle steps that make the farm usable and efficient. Channel mobs using water streams or piston pushers into a single conduit. Once funneled, drop them 2 to 3 blocks or use a crusher so they survive with low health. Make sure to place slabs or carpets to prevent Enderman escapes and tune the drop height for one-hit kills. Then attach a hopper chain to a chest for drops and carve out a small opening so you can safely fight and collect experience. Finish by optimizing performance and sealing the farm for reliable XP. Lightproof surrounding caves, add extra spawning layers, and place your AFK spot 24 to 32 blocks from the spawner so mobs spawn but don't despawn. Once done, test kill timing and adjust the drop height or crusher strength so mobs yield XP without dying instantly. If rates are low, make sure there are no spawn-proof blocks nearby and broaden funnel channels. A common fix is reorienting trapdoors or increasing water flow to prevent bottlenecks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.